is humid though, very sweaty. If your tip is get a hot pressure washer, we know. You may have seen our cool racing stuff videos. Today, we're doing a spring test. Hey everybody, thanks for clicking on today's video. We are going practicing with our super dirt late model, which is right there. We're doing a little bit different today. We are borrowing an open trailer to save a little bit money on transport costs for this afternoon. Really fortunate to be able to borrow this trailer. Haven't put the car on it, so it does not have ramp overs like our enclosed trailer does. It may be a little bit of a challenge to get it on, but I think it'll happen. I think this will be a good experiment for us if we can use an open trailer some, especially one that we can borrow that helps us out. We got some different stuff on the left rear corner to try. Basically, the front end is the same. Fairly big changes on the left rear corner. If you've seen our short videos and even one of our long videos from earlier this week, we've been playing with bar angles and stuff like that, so we got some ideas to try. So, go to Harris, run some laps. Oh, it's actually really nice today. It is humid though, very sweaty. Here's a look at our load, toolbox, tires in the back of the pickup truck. There's the race car on the trailer. There she is. Looks pretty cool on an open trailer. Get the track worked in here. Look at that sky. It's a beautiful night for racing, even though we're just practicing. Two sessions in the books right now. Weather's awesome at the moment. Positive changes so far. Feeling pretty good. Not perfect, but I think it's a step forward for us right now. Really working on picking the throttle up harder and then getting it to turn on throttle. I think we made positive steps in both those directions. Needs a little bath, but did all right tonight. So keep taking that one step at a time. Good night. Think we learned a lot. Think we're maybe as close as we've been. I felt that way before. So, but I'm pretty optimistic about how tonight went. We ran 4 sessions. I think I spun 4 times, so that's not great, but that's part of learning. So we got to keep learning. We're not sure where we're going next, but we will keep you updated.
Well, we almost made it home.
Okay. So
Look underneath, see if we have a tire.
back in the shop after open practice last night at Harris. Car's still on the trailer. We're gonna wash it probably over the weekend here. Pretty productive test, I felt like. Probably our best test that we've had recently. I feel like we learned a lot. We made some adjustments that were positive. We made maybe a couple adjustments that were negative. I felt more confident. Track was pretty good. We started to see a little bit of slicking right at the end of open practice. There was a fair amount of cars there. I want to say like 30. So, I mean, there was enough traffic to kind of work the track in, and that was good for us. One other late model there, another supercar. It was working really well. I felt like that was good for me to go out and just kind of watch a little bit and then be able to jump in my car and do kind of the same thing. I couldn't do the same thing, but get, you know, kind of follow what he was doing out there. We don't quite have a plan on what's next, other than we will be at Sumter October 5th. Would like to get something in before then, whether that's a race, whether that's another open day, not sure yet. If you like this video, we'd appreciate a subscribe or a follow. Make sure to like, comment what you think. If you like the in-shop stuff, we've got a couple of those coming out here and a couple ones that we just released. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks, everybody.